second attempt on making an RC airplane. My first attempt didn't go very well. It did work, like it did move and all that, but it didn't like take off. It didn't go into the air. So I'm gonna make a propeller plane, which is a little smaller. So hopefully that works. I have made a wing. It's a pretty big wing, and so what makes a wing a good wing to make it fly is this airfoil that I didn't do in my last attempt. You have to get this specific shape, and this gives your aircraft lift, making low density down here air and making it high up here. And I've also added some ailerons that help it turn the airplane to bank. And also there is a dihedral, which is the V. You need a light dihedral to get a lot of lift. So this is my wings. And then I've also made the main fuselage. This is actually the body of the aircraft. We have some elevators here that make it go up and down. We got the rudder that makes it go left and right. And then this is just the normal body. And now, since we need to mount a motor, I'm gonna mount the motor up here front. But to mount it, I need to cut some wood and make a wood plate right here so I can screw it in. So now I'm going to be cutting that plate. So this is my plate that I'm going to mount my motor onto, and then I'm just going to stick it to the front of the aircraft. So I did cut the plate, the wooden plate, and I've attached the motor onto it. This is the propeller motor. You'll attach the propeller right here on this knob, and it'll just spin at the very front. And now I'm going to attach my landing gear, and I've got my landing gear right here. It's my nose landing gear, and I do have some main landing gear. So this is my main landing gear. So now I have assembled the landing gear, and I've attached my propeller, and I just put the battery and receiver in there, and I just tried it out, and it worked. It was moving. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up all of this at the top, and then this is where the wings will go from these lines. The wings will just come on top, and we'll rubber band them and hot glue them together, and then we'll be done. So now I've attached the wings and covered the top. And now I have the final product, Prototype 2.0. This is my second attempt on making an RC. Go! Up. Up.
Land is it?
Yeah, I'll bring it down. I'm coming for landing now.